It barely rains in Kuwait, bro. It barely rains. I'm still here. Hey y'all, welcome to another vloggy vlog. If you're new here, my name is Quay. We do everything lifestyle, everything travel. My life as an expat. I live in Kuwait. And I sing as well, independent artist. By the way, y'all, I know I haven't talked about my music in a while, but y'all should definitely click the links. They're always in the description, or just go to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and join the community. We're on the road to 1,000 subs. And yeah, man, you're gonna love it here, I promise. So we're about to cook. I know I told y'all previously about me wanting to lock in. It's been a while since I've been at my normal weight. Usually in like the 150s, I'm in the 170s. And yeah, it's time to lock in. I want to start cooking more and things like that. But yeah, today is going to be a little different with my meal prep. I'm trying to eat the amount of protein I'm supposed to eat. Granted, not the full amount. Like, I think they said I can eat up to 150 grams of protein, but I think I'm going to roughly hit around like 110, 115, which to me is good because I never eat that much protein. I'm the type of person that can eat once a day and be full for the whole day, which this is going to be a lot. So on the agenda, we're going to make egg muffins. I'm going to be eating 3 egg muffins every morning. That sounds crazy because usually I only eat 1 if I make those and some fruit, and that's it. So 3 egg muffins every morning for 5 days straight because I'm cooking for 5 days. I'm making a big pot of chili. And when I say a big pot, like the amount of ground beef I have to put in it so I can get the protein out of it that I want to get, hopefully it's good. We're going to see. I'm going to make chicken salad as like a snack that I have to eat every day as well because I'm trying to hit all the protein numbers. And that's it. I'm going to try to do 2 liters of water every day, or maybe like 1.5 minimum. So that's the goal. So right now I'm about to go ahead and get started. It's late in the afternoon. I probably should have been started cooking, but your girl been cramping, and honestly I don't feel like cooking, but I know I gotta do what I gotta do. It is 3:05. That's really late to start cooking for me. Usually I'm getting it done in the morning and I'll be done by like 1 at the latest. Let's go ahead and get this started. I already have my chicken seasoned. I've been having it marinating, so that's already prepped. So I'm about to start pulling these bags out now. I already got them cut into strips. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer and get that going. Then I'm gonna start chopping up my peppers, and we're just gonna keep it moving. So now to the montage.
Back home in new clothes. That's your paparazzi, get ahead of the low. When I'm in the trap, I can't do no photos. I can't do no photos. I can't be yo. How miles gone? Tell them about it. Price is right, then I might buy it somewhere. On the jet, I'm flying. Fuck them all, shawty crying. I'm scared, gotta stick in my boot. If you play around dumb, then the nigga might shoot. I can't be greedy, you know they need me. Cooking up fettuccine. I got it in time.
Hey y'all, so it's day 1 in the gym. I forgot my camera, my DJI. So all I can get y'all is phone footage. I burned 304 calories so far. I'm doing a 20 incline walk on 3.5 speed. And it's just the beginning, y'all. Our vloggy vlog, so we did 513 calories today. I'm tired, I ain't gonna lie to you, but we did it. Tomorrow we'll be back. If you decide you want to get in the gym, go do it. And then usually I would work out just for a vacation or something like that, but that's not what this is. This is just, it's time to transform and live the lifestyle, not just oh, I might go on vacation or nothing. I'm about to get back to this, how I was and the size that I want. So yeah, this is your motivation. If I don't teach y'all nothing today or inspire y'all to do nothing today in this entire vlog, go to the gym, bro. Be active in some kind of way. Every day, and maybe 4 times a week. Y'all got this. Time to go get in the shower and head to work. Hey vloggy vlog. So I'm at the gas station right now, as y'all can see. One thing I will never get old is them pumping my gas for me. That's one thing I do not miss stateside. Cause what? I don't pump my gas. I remember when I first came out here in 2024, I was like, Wait, I don't have to get out and pump my own gas? Like what? Like I don't get out my car at all at the gas station. So I'm about to head to get my nails and toes done. After the nail shop, we're gonna go get some food. I'm going to a nice little restaurant. I have no idea what I'm wearing. Thank you. After that, I'm going to my friend's birthday thing, and that's like bowling at a bowling alley. So that's all that's on the agenda. Nails, food, bowling. So today should be a good day. I'm gonna hit y'all back because I gotta go ahead and pull off now. Hey vloggy vlog. I know I look crusty right now, but I won't look as crusty later. I'm about to get my nails done. I just arrived. And I think I'm gonna get red because today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. This lady takes a while to do my nails and toes, so I really need to hurry up and get in there because it's almost 1 o'clock now. And I'm gonna get food early so I can make it to the birthday party that I got invited to as well, because I was gonna go later to get food, but I switched it up. So I think I'm gonna go to get food by 4 o'clock. I haven't ate anything all day, so the food there better be good. But yeah, man, I hope y'all doing good. I hope y'all have a great Valentine's Day, and I will talk to y'all later. About to go until I'll take y'all with me into the nail shop. Even though y'all seen it a million times, still gonna take y'all with me. So So we also have a lot to talk about. Y'all, I lost.
Keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, now so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing you so made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. It's this one thing you know it's so with it. It's this one thing.
Hey y'all, I didn't fix the camera, but anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what I'm wearing to dinner. So I'm trying to debate if I'm gonna pull my hair up or not. I haven't decided that, but this is like a long shirt, but I just tied it. Y'all gotta remember, I'm in Kuwait. Y'all know it's a modern country, so I have to be covered for the most part. I just wanted to be comfy because after I'm going to go bowling, so I'm like, I don't want to be too formal and then have to come back and change and all that. I want to keep it moving because by the time dinner's over, it's gonna be time to go to the birthday party. And then I have on like some really big platforms because these pants are huge. They're long as crap. Yeah, that's it. I'm chilling. It's not nothing too much. The restaurant that we're going to is cute, but like, it's not like I have to be in like heels or nothing like that. And plus, everything that I own, I really need to do better. I've been living in Kuwait for 2 years, and it literally took me this long to do. Oh, my editor just texted me. What she's talking about? Oh, she said Happy Valentine's Day, Clay. That's cute. Happy Valentine's Day, my girl. I think I might swoop these edges a little bit because they look kind of crazy. And then I'm gonna head out. So I'll see y'all at the restaurant.
Look at her. Look at her, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with him. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with him. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him. Pray you get that job in time, bro. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into.
Morning vloggy vlog. So yeah, it's the next day. Valentine's Day was really nice, and I ended up not going to the bowling alley because we ended up getting to dinner late because my nail appointment took so long. So by the time we were sitting down eating, it was time for us to be at the bowling alley for our friend's party, but we didn't have time, so we just went to dinner and then came back to the crib and watched yo, have y'all seen on Netflix Soulmates? I'm not done. I'm on like the 4th episode. I really like it. It's really cool. But anyways, we watched that last night and then fell asleep. And now I'm dressed, about to go to the gym. Ate a lot last night, real big bag. Y'all seen that table at that restaurant? The restaurant, out of 5, I would get it like a 2.73 out of 5. Like, I feel like the food could have been better, but it wasn't like the worst food I've ever had either. It was still good. Like when y'all see me montage in the restaurant, it looked really empty, but by the time that we were leaving, it was packed flooded with people. So we were leaving when all those people were like being seated and sat down. So now I'm about to go work out. Today I feel like I'm thinking about possibly going and buying an iPhone 17. I wasn't gonna buy it, but my phone like keeps overheating and things like that. And I was gonna trade my phone in, but I'm like, I might as well not trade it in because I can keep my iPhone 17 like I'm the person that would take pictures and have all this content and stuff that I need to post and never post it, and it's just sitting and building up and building up and building up. So now I'm like overwhelmed with how many photos and videos I have in my phone. So I'm going to wipe out this phone. I'm gonna move all that to my hard drive, all the content I have, or try to start creating stuff and deleting it as I go on this phone. And then anything that I record on my 17, I'm going to move it to this phone and edit everything on the iPhone I have now because I have a 14. So it's time for a new phone anyway. But I'm the type of person, I don't be upgrading my phone every year. So let me utilize my phone for a while, especially because I'm not the person that get like the low storage. I'm the person that's gonna get a terabyte of storage because I take so many photos and videos and stuff. So I'll probably go get a new iPhone, and then I need to go to IKEA because I need more containers for my meal preps and stuff. I need more glass containers, and I don't like the bamboo tops. Like they raise up on it, so like my food opened in my lunchbox and spilled everywhere, and it was chilly, man. Like I was so tight. But it's okay. I threw that lunchbox away, not just because it was dirty and I could have just cleaned it, but it's an old lunchbox, so now I need to buy me a new lunchbox. So I might look for that too. IKEA got everything. They probably got a lunchbox. So yeah, all right, we'll be back.
I don't go for no type of bogey shit. She just wanna take a picture, strike a pose with it. 2,500 on my bitch, she stole it. Whoa. Yo, double decker hole.
All right, y'all. Over 500 calories burned. I wanted to show y'all. Y'all seen the treadmill say I burnt like almost, I think at the end it said like over 800 calories, but in reality I only burned 500. That's why I really like having like an Apple Watch or, what is it, like the Oura rings, those type of rings, things like that, because they actually track it based off of your weight. Because a treadmill could be off because it's just looking at, oh, you're doing 20 incline on 3.5 speed, but it doesn't know everything about my body type. Like, it doesn't know my weight, my age, my height, all that kind of stuff. So that's one thing I do like about the Apple Watch. I'm about to go drink me some fresh juice, shower, and then probably end up running errands. We'll see when I pick up the camera again. Hey y'all, so I'm fresh out the shower. I just been chilling ever since I got out the gym. I don't feel like doing a thing. And I'm locked in. I'm supposed to be eating great. Girl! Baby, I just ordered me a Papa John's pizza. It's thin crust, it's a small, and in Kuwait, they small pizzas are like low-key like pan pizzas from like, if you're comparing it to like stateside. And it's chicken, it's no like craziness on it, but that's what I'm eating. Judge me, I don't care. At least I went to the gym today. Anyways, that I wanted to tell y'all was a couple of past weeks I have been just prepping content for my editor because my editor was out of town. So I made like maybe 3 or 4 vlogs, maybe 5. I don't really remember how many it would have been because I didn't organize the files yet. So I went to my friend's birthday party. She had a dinner and it was a really nice restaurant, private. I went to that birthday party. I went to a little boy's birthday party. It was cute. I recorded all the magician and all that stuff, and just the festivities. I'm opening gifts, blowing out candles. I have so much content from all that. Basically, I had all this footage on my memory card and my camera, and I was like, okay, once I go to the camera race, then I have all the footage I need. I'm gonna go ahead and organize it on my computer and put it on my hard drive and send it off to my editor. Tell me why when I go to this camel race, the night before it rained, so it's wet outside, but it's not raining anymore when we went out there. And at the camel race, you can go and you can stand by the little gate where the camels run and see that, which we did. And then we can get in the car and you can drive up the side of the track and like with the camels. Like it's like the little track for you to for you to drive the car. It's like a little dirt patch, small little dirt patch, maybe like this much space in between the dirt, the poles that separate the camels on their track, and then the driving track, if that makes sense. So anyways, we're literally right there next to where the dirt patch started. So we're recording, I'm getting all this great footage, and I was like, all right, I'm tired of recording, but I left my window down, and my camera was sitting in my lap, and my phone was in my hand. And then all I seen was this Kuwaiti, this big truck. He drives on the dirt part, that little small space. Tell me why it was a puddle. Mind you, the window was down. So all that water got in the car on me and my friend. And that water got on me and my friend, and we were laughing because of course we didn't come there looking like cute or anything and have on nice clothes. We know it's gonna be in the middle of the desert, you know, dusty, dirty, and it was wet. So we prepped for that. I had them like, both of us had on hoodies, like sweatpants, you know, it was chilling. So we didn't care about getting wet. We were weak. Like, it was like, yo, it's like one of the movies, you know, people be sitting on the side of the road and then a car drive past and all the water splash on them. But bruh, at home, I'm so excited. Like, yeah, I got all the content. So I put it in my adapter to put into my MacBook, and it's saying, oh, this is unsupported, format your memory card. I put it back into my camera. It says the same thing. I'm like, yo, what the heck is going on? So I go to my bestie ChatGPT and I'm like, yo, like, what could possibly happen? They're like, the memory card probably got wet. Leave it out for 24 hours and it might work. So I set it out, let it dry, thinking that the next day it'll work. No. So then I'm like, okay, are there any other options so I can recover this footage? And they're like, well, you can possibly use a recovery like program, go to this link, found this company that tries to recover stuff. So I paid $89 for the footage, like thinking I can get the footage back. It pulled up footage from the Maldives. Y'all clearly gonna see the Maldives vlog before y'all see this vlog. I have that footage already. It's already on my hard drive. My editor already has that footage. So that didn't help me at all. I'm out of $89 for one. And for two, all that footage, talking about it is making me upset again. But I just wanted to share with y'all that that's what's going on, and that's why y'all not getting a vlog until February. Might get one of those little rubber cases. They're not waterproof, but I was thinking about getting maybe one of the rubber cases and putting it on my camera. And then maybe going from there and like, because it would have probably protected it a little bit. It might have still got water, but it might have saved it. You never know. When I record stuff now, I'm so paranoid. I'm like literally, oh, I gotta get it on my hard drive. Oh, I gotta get it on my hard drive. Like, I'm not taking no chances of losing any more content because this is the second time that I've lost content. The first time being that, I mean, my memory card was stolen when I went to Egypt. This time being the water situation. It's like in a million chances. It barely rains in Kuwait, bruh. It barely rains. And the night before it rains, and I get punished for it. So that's what happened, and I just wanted to share. But hey, we still going. You know what I'm saying? How that song go? I'm still here. Yo, we gotta add that clip here. Yo, man, like, I ain't giving up. We ain't giving up. But if you're new here, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I know I'm a clown. Oh, by the way, that was a championship. I didn't even know that they had a championship camel race. Like, when I went in January 2024, it wasn't the championship. It was just a regular race. So they've been doing these freaking races since 1988. Like, I'll insert some pictures of how it looked in 1988. And I thought that was so cool. Like, 1988, who knew they were doing these things for that long? And who knew that it was a whole championship? And the day that we happened to go, it was a championship. Yeah, I love y'all. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next vloggy vlog. I'm meditating for you. I won't be praying on you.